Hey guys, it's Traumatized. Welcome to my channel. So today I have this beautiful eye look for you guys using some brand new makeup. If you want to see how I completed this look, then definitely stay tuned. So a wonderful company decided to reach out to me by the name of Beayoutiful Beauty. They sent me some lovely eyeshadows and a highlighter palette. They also sent some concealers and some fabulous lashes as well. I absolutely love every single pair. Yes, I have used some of these palettes to create some beautiful looks, so this is not a first impressions video. I am actually going to show you and tell you exactly what these eyeshadows can do. So these are some of the style lashes that we sent. They are very high quality, very much reusable, 100% mink with a comfortable cotton band. The style K10 is actually my favorite one. We also have the style K18, which has a bit more drama, and the cutest pair K21 for those who just love a little bit of flair. And these are the concealers, which came in a very small tube, not too bulky. Although they are a bit lighter than my shade, they are very hydrating and a wonderful primer for the eye. This color is actually the closest to my shade, and I had to go ahead and do the smell test, and guys, I think they actually smell better than the Naked Cake. They smell so much better than the Naked Cake concealers. Now for the eyeshadows. Don't you just love the beautiful packaging of this swing eyeshadow palette? These colors are definitely giving me sunset vibes, and like I said, I have already created this beautiful look using this eyeshadow palette. I did go ahead and do some swatches for you guys, and I really hope this comes out good on camera so you could actually see the pigment coming through. Next, we have the Monowalk, and isn't she beautiful? Just as beautiful on the outside as she is in. I did use this palette while creating this look. This palette is strictly shimmer shades. I must say the consistency is very smooth and buttery, and the colors come through perfectly. Now we have the Marvel palette. Isn't she just gorgeous? I love the range of colors in this palette because it can switch up from a daytime to a nighttime look. I did go ahead and recreate this look that I'm actually going to do right now with this palette for you guys. I am definitely about to show you how this look came together. Last but not least, we have the famous Kaleidoscope palette. It is actually a highlighter palette with not one, not three, not six, but 9 shades of highlighters. Like every single highlighter shade that you can think of, she's got it. Like, how convenient is that? And mind you, every single palette has a mirror attached. Like, I just absolutely love that. I am loving the colors, and they could also be used as shimmer shades for eyeshadows, you know? Now you'll see me going in to prep my eyes for this eyeshadow look. Finally, let's get this eyeshadow look started. I'm going in with the Marvel palette and using this beautiful, soft, coral pinkish shade as my transition shade. To make sure the pigment is coming through, I dab the color firstly onto the lid and then swipe as I go. So if you have been watching my videos for some time, you would know that I am blessed with hooded eyes. So any eyeshadows that I place on my eyes will definitely have to go above my natural lid. This technique creates the illusion that I do not have hooded eyes at all. And you will see this at the end of the video. So please stay tuned. Now right now I'm actually loving how this color is blending out. It's not too strong, it's beautiful, it's soft, it's perfect for a transition color. Mind you, this color blended so smoothly, it was not ashy and there was little to no fallout. Now you see me going to deepen the crease color with these 2 shades because we are going for a cut crease today. Now as you already know, I will be going with these 2 shades above my natural crease. Hashtag hooded eye crew, you already know. Okay. Now to blend out the edges, I will be going back with that pink coral shade just to make sure everything is blended seamlessly on the eyelid. Ooh, look at that blend, guys. Seamless. Now it's time to go in and cut the crease. And if you guys do want to see a simpler look on hooded eyes, just go ahead and click the link on top of the screen. Now it's time to go into the Monowalk palette and test out these beautiful shimmers. I am going in with these 3 on the lid. To get the shimmers to apply a bit smoother, to get any shimmer to apply a bit smoother, you can go in with some setting spray and then it will completely glide across the eyelid. I decided to go in with a bit of a wing liner just to add a bit of drama to the eye look, and then I went in with a white liner towards the bottom. To tie the look together, I'm going to use this shade on my bottom lid. And then use my favorite mascara to coat my non-existent lashes. Going in with lashes in the style K10. And oh wow, guys, even I was thinking about as to how lashes can just take your look from 0 to 100. And now for the cherry on top, what you guys have been waiting for, the Kaleidoscope highlighter palette. I'll be going in with this shade just to highlight my normal areas. I did go a tad bit over in highlighting my cheekbones, but I fixed that. You'll see me go in to highlight my nose, my brow bone, and my inner eye area. This palette is so convenient and definitely a space saver. Beautiful Beauty, I am so appreciative of this. I am so happy that you put me on. This is one of my favorite out of the palettes you sent, and this is definitely going to be one of my staples. To the Monroe and the Marvel, I mean, need I say more? The Swing palette as well, I will be using them on my Instagram Reels. Guys, to get a hold of these palettes, please check out Beautiful Beauty on Instagram and beautifulbeauty.com. All links to products will be left in the description box, together with any discount codes that may help. I hope you guys love this look, and thank you for tuning in. See you in the next one. Mwah.